Hi there, and welcome to Kanana Gardens. Today, we're excited to show you our indoor gardening space and share how we're making hydroponics easier and more accessible for home growers like you. Our focus is on home gardening, not commercial setups. Unlike commercial environments, we don't have strict protocols like disinfecting shoes or sterilization rooms, and yes, even our dog visits this space. By conducting research and development in a real home, we replicate the challenges and conditions typical growers face and create solutions that work in non-sterile environments. Let's start with this small countertop system. It's great for learning the basics, and here we're growing some lettuce and Swiss chard. However, systems like this are too small to produce enough for most needs. That's why we focus on scalable solutions for growing a wider variety of crops. Over here are 5-year-old hydroponic tomato plants thriving in our hydroplanters. These portable ebb and flow systems are perfect for long-living plants. They're easy to move for trimming, nutrient changes, or relocating outdoors in warmer months. The clay pebbles help oxygenate the roots, fight pathogens, and even provide resilience during power outages. We've also got Thai basil, snow peas, blue kale, and stevia, the natural sweetener. And over here, our herb table features mint, rosemary, parsley, oregano, and thyme, all fresh and ready to use in the kitchen. Now, let's take a look at our lettuce table. Compared to the countertop system, these are full heads of lettuce with multiple varieties, allowing for a constant rotation of fresh greens. We've also got a cucumber plant and a snow pea nearing the end of its life, showcasing the diversity you can grow at home. Here's a typical 4-part nutrient system commonly used in home hydroponics to balance nitrogen, potassium, phosphorus, calcium, magnesium, and other vital nutrients. You'll also see various hydroponic systems from popular brands showing the range of options available for home growers. Managing all these systems can be overwhelming, especially with different plants at different stages. That's where the Kanana Gardens app comes in. It simplifies nutrient management by telling you exactly how much of each to add, tracks pH and EC levels, and provides predefined programs for over 100 plant species, all optimized for their ideal nutrient values. The free tier supports up to 4 systems and covers the basics, while the premium tier offers advanced features like fine-tuning nutrient levels for crops like purple basil, which needs more phosphorus than standard basil for its vibrant color. The app works with handheld pH and EC sensors, keeping it affordable and easy to use without requiring expensive IoT devices or technical setups. Now that you've seen the physical side of what we do, let's dive into the app and show you how it works to make home hydroponics easier and more rewarding. We'll start by adding a hydroponic system. You can choose from popular brands, including our open-source hydroplanters, or select other to customize for systems like deep water culture or ebb and flow. For this demo, we're selecting a predefined model. Next, we add plants to the system, starting with a category: fruits, herbs, or vegetables. For this demo, we're adding basil, where you can choose basic basil, a part of the free tier, or premium options like purple basil, which optimizes phosphorus levels specific to that plant to maintain those vibrant colors. After selecting the growth stage, germination, seedling, vegetative, or flowering, we repeat the process for spinach, then use the summary screen to adjust plant quantities easily. Now, we select nutrients from a list of popular brands, followed by our water source: reverse osmosis, tap, or custom water. Tap water includes an optional TDS value to compensate for minerals in the mix. That's it for setup. Quick and easy. Next, here's where the app does the heavy lifting. Using a handheld pH and EC meter, we input these values along with the water level, giving the app the data it needs to create a precise mix. If no data is entered, the app still calculates the best mix using information about your plants, system, and water source. After selecting fill, our AI formulates the mix, providing exact amounts of water and nutrients to add mix. The default option is an NPK-optimized mix, which balances key nutrients: nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, calcium, and magnesium for ideal plant health. There's also a vendor-based option that matches feed charts but doesn't optimize nutrient ratios. Next, we fine-tune pH by adding small amounts of buffer until it's in the target range. The app includes a history feature with graphs, letting you monitor trends over time and make informed adjustments. With just a few inputs, the Kanana Gardens app simplifies hydroponics, helping you achieve precise nutrient management without the guesswork. That's a quick look at the Kanana Gardens app and how it makes hydroponic gardening easier, whether you're just starting out or managing a more advanced setup. You can download the app today on the Apple App Store or Google Play And for more information, including our open-source hydro planters, visit us at kanana.ca. Thanks for watching, and happy growing.